and welcome back to another vlog. So he's working right now. I just came up to start the vlog so I could show his face. So basically today is 1st of December. We are very excited because we are gonna open our advent calendar. One is for pets and the other is for us, and that is gonna be the friends one. I think we showed it to you when right. So the pets one is basically you open it every day from 1st December, and there are new type of treats that you give it to your pet. So yeah, let's go do that. I'm super excited, and I'm also making lunch. Whew, it's cold. The heater is on inside the house, and I'm making lunch. For lunch I'm making rajma dal. Basically I had some leftover dal and then I had some rajma, beans, so I mixed them and made rajma dal. But I'm gonna finish all of the leftovers. So the calendars are over here. So this is the pet calendar and our calendar is over there. Let me get it. So this is our calendar, the Friends Advent calendar. Whew. Countdown to Christmas with over 25 surprises. I'm so excited to open it. Alright, let's see. Alright, so this is the Friends Advent calendar for us. Super excited. We ordered from Amazon. Let's open it. Ooh! Could we be any more excited? By these official friends gift. The one with all the recipes. Oh, there's an official cookbook also, friends cookbook. Alright, so today is 1st December. Let's go open number 1 right here. Ooh. Welcome to our tropical Christmas party by Rachel. Oh wow, I love it! It's a photo frame, the frame that Friends, the famous Friends frame. I love it. You can actually put your photo here, right? Yeah. Is there anything else? Nope, nothing. Whoop! The next one is gonna be marbles. Alright, it says salmon and sweet potato treats right here. How do I open this? Do I poke hole?
Yeah,
like, okay. It says 25 days of omega packed dog treats.
Mommy's opening your advent calendar. You should go and check. It's the Christmas time for your advent calendar. I know. You will get a Tito from mommy.
I think I just have to poke this here and not open the whole thing. Alright, day 1.
Wow, Marva. Mommy got your day 1 Treato.
These are the day 1 Cheetos, Bobby. Let mommy clean you and she will give you more Cheetos. Babu!
Marva, here, your advent calendar. Did you like it? Did you like the sweet potato treat? And you make a puddle over there. You like the Tito? No, tomorrow there will be the second Tito.
So my lunch is basically a bowl of mixed lentils. So I made rajma dal and then we had some chana dal left over. I mixed that also. I added some ghee, some chutney. It looks something like this. Yep. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. So that's it. I'm gonna have my lunch and I'll see you in some time. So it's so freaking cold outside. So we are all decked up in our winter layering clothes, and we are actually going out to run some errands, and then I guess we'll just stop by Yashu and Ashley's place just for some time and then come back home. We are already done with feeding Marvel, walking him, and yeah, he's also right there. Have you ever seen Mayank like in Florida like this, like with this beanie and jacket? I know I used to be all wearing the jackets.
Why would someone wear all this in Florida?
I mean, I used to feel cold, but not as cold as what I feel over here. So what I feel here is, my god, you cannot even imagine. Exactly, fingers falling off, literally. I just went out to leave Marvel outside so he can go poop and stuff, and my hands started freezing in that like minutes. Anyway, so we're going out right now. Have completed all our errands that we wanted to do. Everything is done, and now
we are going to surprise
Nitish and Ashley.
Yeah, they have no clue that we are coming.
Yeah, and basically it's so easy to surprise now. You don't have to drive 8 hours to surprise them. Just like 30 minutes and then we are there. So yeah, we are there hoping that we will get dinner because we haven't eaten anything. But we know that they eat dinner early, but still because we wanted to surprise them, we didn't tell them that hey, we'll be coming and all that stuff. So let's see. I hope they made something extra for food that we can eat. Otherwise, Chick-fil-A Zindabad.
Yeah, I mean, so far since we moved, all our trips were pretty much like planned. That they are coming, they would call us, let us know, or we are going. But today is the first time that we are just gonna be there unannounced. So it's gonna be fun. Let's see what their reaction is.
Yep.
On top of that, we are gonna tell them that we haven't had any dinner.
We're hungry. Yep. I'm sure when tomorrow they see the vlog, they'll have a great laugh. Alright, we'll reach there and we'll call you. I don't know why I said we'll call you. Basically, I guess I thought I'm talking to Ashley. Then we'll reach there and we'll call you. We'll reach there and we'll start vlogging again. We are here. And they were just calling us like right now, 30 seconds ago. And we didn't pick up their call. They have a beautiful Santa here. Look at that. Let's see, let's go. He's ringing the bell. Don't peep. Don't peep though.
There's no one at home.
What?
Hello? Can somebody please open the door? Oh, it's very chilly outside.
Oh my god.
They're talking to us to the Ring camera.
You guys scared me.
There's no one at home.
What?
Hello? Hello?
Who's that?
Can somebody please open the door? Oh, it's very chilly outside.
My hand is here. Oh my god. You guys scared me.
Face.
Nitish said actually. That is Mayank.
Oh my god. Wang is begging. So you called us, we were like, okay fine, let's just go and ask what happened. Why did they call us?
He was like calling. He was like, let's see what they're doing. I had a feeling that
He was like, it's Mayank. Then she was like, what's that?
they are picking up the calls.
I heard. You
we were
called
like literally just 2 minutes.
when you called, yeah.
We were like, we are just reaching.
Yeah, let's just not pick up.
We just
So this evening.
Hi. Say hi. Hi, Barbie. Look at Astro. He's wearing his sweater. Oh, baby. Yes. Yes, Barbie.
Come here, I'll take you outside first. That's right. Come here, let's go outside.
Alright, so today was the best day to surprise them because I'm getting to eat bulgogi and fried rice and he
Biryani, chicken biryani.
yeah, so can you imagine the day we landed here? Literally. Yeah, we're sitting outside, it's nice and very cold.
Yeah, we were like, today it's gonna be so low. They must be doing fire pit, they
Yeah.
must be doing
Yeah.
all that stuff, so let's go. Guys, time to head back. It was a pleasant surprise and the perfect day to drop in because she got her bulgogi and I got my biryani and nothing can make this better, and she just baked some cookies that is already gone inside, so I can't show you.
We always surprise them and come because we get the best food that time.
So anyways, we are gonna head back and drop that and gonna see you in our next vlog, and until then,
You wanna say bye? Bye. Bye.